I was able to balance my coursework with my other commitments really well. It was actually one of the best parts about my experience with Franklin. I had the opportunity to really engage in rigorous learning, and I thought the caliber of the program was great, but it was very flexible, allowed me to work around my other obligations, full-time job, growing family, and still feel like I was able to, operate at the level of quality that I expected from myself, that I know that the program demanded, while not feeling like it was consuming, my life and I had no time for anything else. It was a great balance for me. Biggest factors were, of course, the program that aligned with my needs, and ultimately just knowing that I wanted to keep working full-time while I pursued my master's degree. So looking at where there was flexibility that would allow me to do that, while also making sure there was the kind of rigor I wanted out of a program that was really, there to help drive that continuous learning for me. Of course, cost is also a factor, but for the most part, it was about the flexibility and alignment with my learning objectives.